Okay, so class, till the last session we have seen minerals, energy resources, different type of minerals. We have seen conventional sources and non-conventional sources of energy. We have seen how to conserve minerals, conserve energy resources, and using the resources in a sustainable manner so that it is useful for the future generation also. So now here are some of the pictures of some minerals, just for your information to understand how it looks. Okay, so let's continue. Mica, aluminium, platinum, silver, uranium, tin, sulfur, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, gypsum, talc, thorium, diamond. Okay, so these were some of the pictures of some other minerals. Okay, so now we are going to see about different types of mining. Here also, it's not, the slides are not explaining the mining because that's not there in your textbook. This is just the pictures of some mining, how the miners are there, how they are digging, how they are taking the extraction. Only those pictures I have kept so that you get some more information about mining. You can see how the mining is done, how it looks like, how the mines are there, how we extract the ores, that you can understand from this pictures. Okay. So here in types of mining they have given two types, surface mining and underground mining, right? So now in surface mining you can see placer mining, strip mining, mountain top removal, hydraulic, open pit and dredging. And under underground mining you can see drift mining, slope mining, shaft mining, hard rock and borehole. So these are the different types of mining coming under surface mining and underground mining. Okay, so let's move on. See, this is placer mining. This is the equipment used, how they are extracting any kind of mineral, they use this system. This is strip mining. You can see near the mountains and rocks and all, how they have made the strips and they extract the ore from there. Mountain top mining. Here you can see there is no residential areas near. The trucks are moving from the mountain. People are over there. They are collecting, they are extracting the ore. Hydraulic mining. With the help of water, with the help of chemical, they are trying to take the extraction of ores. Open pit mines. These are open pit mines. Dredging is there, extracting the minerals. Underground mining. Underground mining refers to a group of techniques used for the extraction of valuable minerals or other geological materials from the earth. Okay. And in contrast to the other main type of excavation, surface mining, subsurface mining requires equipment and people to operate under the surface of the earth. That means they are going underground. Pipes are installed, instruments are installed. Sometimes people also try to move inside. And slowly they try to bring up the minerals, try to extract the ores from the underground of our earth. Here you can see in the picture, head frame is here, setting cone, ventilation, shaft is there, ramp is there, different ore bin. Here the ores are collected, water basin, pump station. See, everything is, this is underground. This is under the earth. Okay. Next, drift mining. slope mining, shaft mining. Here you can see the people, they enter inside with the instruments, machines, techniques, and they try to extract the ore. Hard rock mining, borehole mining, counter mining, here near the hills and slopes. The sulfur mines in Indonesia. This is a picture of sulfur mines in Indonesia. Artisanal gold mining in western Tanzania. This is the gold from where they are extracting gold mines. Calgold is an open pit gold mine. Here also this is a gold mine. This is an open pit gold mine. From here they extract the gold, and whatever the minerals they get, they take it to the industries where they are refined, they are reduced into finished products, and then they are sent to different places for making jewelries. The Tata open cast coal mine at West Bokaro. We have seen coal mine. When we are learning about coal, we have heard the word West Bokaro. This is the place. The Tata open cast coal mine at West Bokaro. Sigain copper mine. You can see in the picture how it looks like, right? Large iron mine in the Serra dos Carajás Para state, Brazil. This is the iron mine. There are trucks, people working over there, try to extracting the ore from the mines. So now this is a small graph which is showing the mineral resources development cycle. So how it happens is the available land resources are there. Exploration takes place. Okay, 10 plus years. Environmental assessment and approvals are needed. Stakeholder consultations, government approvals. Then it takes construction work. Then operation takes place. Takes 10 to 30 years for that. Then nearly closer to 1-2 years more it will take for the development. Then it goes to reclamation. People working on it 1 to 4 years, monitoring the work, getting it reclaimed, using it for development, again moving to the same process. So this is a small mineral resource development cycle. How much long it takes, how much long it will take for the replenishment of mineral, and whatever mineral is there, how much time it takes for us to make it out into a proper finished product. It takes time for that. Okay. Now, yes, of course, mining is then we get the minerals, development is happening, but there are some effects of mining on the environment. And what are they? Deforestation takes place. If we find that in such a place, mines are there, gold is there, or any other useful mineral is there, the trees are there, we just cut it and then start mining over there. But when we are doing so, deforestation is taking place. Biodiversity loss is taking place. Lands are destroyed, right? Rivers sometimes they get polluted. People may be living near to the mines, they have to shift from that place because slowly it will get polluted. Animals, birds, they have to shift from there because continuous mining, transportation, noise, lots of things. And there are also many mines which take their waste and throw it in the water, wash it out in the river. And that is also not good. Why? Because they think that okay, there is a river nearby, let's throw the waste there. Why to take the waste long, far away and deposit in such a place where there will be no harm? For saving the cost, they may do this. But when they are doing that, when they are polluting the water, what is happening? Pollution takes place and that is going to harm the villagers or the towns from who are going to consume that water. So these are also some kind of effects, what is happening because of mining in the environment. So you can see the picture. How because of mining and all deforestation takes place. How loss of biodiversity is happening. And because of underground coal mining, what happens is underwater also sometimes gets polluted. And because of that underwater pollution and cracks in riverbeds and all, fishes die because they start consuming the mineral water is there inside the water, inside the riverbed, and then they start dying because they cannot resist that. Right? See in the other picture you can see roads getting damaged because of continuous mining and all. If there is a residential area there, it happens there. It starts collapsing. The underground, it starts getting disturbed, and it may, because of the gravitational force and because of the digging and all, the upper portion, the roads, the grounds and everything, even the houses can collapse. These are some of the bad effects which is happening because of mining. Here you can see the pollution. They are just throwing the waste into some pit, and sometimes it gets mixed with the water and it is harming the people. Right? So these are some of the bad effects. Here you can see some people, some residents of the area. Don't destroy our land, our culture and environment for your greed and nuclear pride. This can happen at a place where continuous mining is happening and residents are facing the problem. No uranium, no weapons, no waste. So these are the banners also coming forward that mining is not that much good. And if you're using it, take some technology which is not going to harm the nature, which can be in a proper way of sustainable development. Okay? So that's it. Believe you understood the chapter. We have seen minerals and energy resources. We have learned about ferrous minerals, non-ferrous minerals, non-metallic minerals. We have seen conventional energies, non-conventional energies. We have also seen the examples of conventional and non-conventional. What is conventional? Which has been used since long years, ancient times. Non-conventional is those which are just developed like solar energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy. We have seen the characteristics of coal and petroleum. We have seen different types of coal. We have also seen we have understood what is tidal energy. We have understood what is geothermal energy. Right? We have also seen that how to conserve minerals and energy resources, not using it much so that the next generation is going to face any problem because of our greediness. Everything we have seen. We have also seen some of the pictures related to different minerals. We have seen different type of mining. We have also seen how to conserve the energy resources by helping in economic development. These were some of the extra information given to you, showing you a picture of some of the minerals. Then we have seen how different type of mining is done. Some pictures related to mining were also there, so that you can know how different mining takes place and how the place looks like and which are the different methods used for that. We have seen what is underground mining, where all the system is made underground, and sometimes people also have to move inside for digging and all, drift mining and all. Where you can see it's like a track, railway track, right? That machine, they just go inside and then they bring the minerals getting extracted. Then we have seen different kinds of mines in different places. Then we have seen the mineral resource development cycle, how it takes place. Some effects of mining on the environment is showing a negative effect. Then if it is happening long, then there will be no proper sustainable development. There is going to be problems which is going to be faced by the future generations. So we should always see to it that whatever development is taking place, it should be in a proper manner. It should not harm the beautiful nature which is given to us, which is a gift to us. Right? Thank you. Have a nice day.